Good morning, students. In the last video, I have completed this chapter in English grammar. Chapter 10, Verb the simple present tense. And today, I want to show some examples so that you can understand the concept very clearly. Before showing the example, now look here. What is given here? Number A. Look at the picture and read the sentences. So, you read these sentences. Okay? In number A, you read both sentences. So, now I want to show some picture related to verb, the simple present tense. The moon shines at night. Sign, signs. The earth moves around the sun. Move, moves. He walks to school every morning. Walk, walks. She studies hard every night so that she can pass her exam. Study, studies. Now here in place of Y there is IES. Okay? Tommy watches television every night. Watch, watches. He washes his car every week. Wash, washes. Jessica crosses that road every morning. Cross, crosses. My mother goes to the supermarket every Sunday. Go, goes. Now, some examples related to I, we, you, and they. In this, we cannot make changes in the verb. They remain same. Now, look at the example. They eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. Eat, eat. Now here verb will be same. We drink orange juice every morning. Drink, drink. I walk to school with my friend every day. Walk, walk. In I, we, you, they, no change. Now, come to exercises. Complete the passage with suitable words. Here, some words has been given. So, what you do? You have to fill this. Okay? Do it by yourself. Now, come to next page. There is a passage. Let's read. So what you do? You read this passage and complete this, answer the following question. This also you do it by yourself. Read the passage and write the answer. Okay? Now there is one more exercise. Let's read. See the chart below. See here. Here talking about Ajit, Amar and Ajay. Here the place has been given, school name has been given, games and food. And here it is written also. About Ajit it is written here. So in same way you have to write about Amar and Ajay. Now see number 1. First you see about Ajit. Ajit lives at Park Street. He goes to Mark's Convent School. He plays cricket. He likes cakes. So in same way you have to write about Amar. But you have to see here. Places, school, games and about food. So in same way you write. Okay. So complete this in your book. So what are the things you have to do in your books? Exercise B, exercise C and exercise D. Okay. Now chapter 10 is completed. So you complete this exercise in your book. Till that, thank you.